Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to a new session of new topic called comparators. In this, from the upcoming session, we are going to discuss about the comparator using op-amp circuit with the same circuit, with the same IC, IC 741. We are going to explain all the things like inverting configuration, non-inverting configuration, how it is behaves like in an amplifier, and how it behaving like a comparison operator. And also in the upcoming session, we are going to see about Smith trigger and a stable multivibrator, stable vibrator, bistable multivibrator, and all the things we are going to discuss in the following sessions also. Now let's going to see about comparator circuit. The term itself, the term telling that comparator, what it means exactly? Comparison, right? So now let's move on to this. So, to explain more clearly, we are going to consider these conditions and the circuit. Just keep aside the circuit for a while. We're going to explain a little bit later. So, you can clearly observe here. Suppose think about that. I'm not going to draw entire circuit. Just assume that this is 741 IC. Okay, which is having a two inputs and one output. Okay. So let us consider voltage at inverting configuration is V1, voltage at V2, which is nothing but non-inverting configuration. So the output will be V0. Okay. So what does mean comparator? It means that it is comparing, right? Suppose you will take V1 is equals to some 5 volts. Let us consider V2 is equals to like 7 volts. Then what is the value if V1 is less than V2, right? So if it is V1 less than V1. So if you consider this is as a 7 volts, this as a 5 volts. Until unless we are considering in positive mode, it is nothing but non-inverting mode. So non-inverting voltage is higher than comparing to the inverting voltage. Let us consider here itself. So I will take the sinusoidal wave. So to compare this one, we will take one as reference voltage, one as a as usual voltage. So you can clearly this is my reference voltage and this is my input voltage. So when we consider the ideal case such that it will be going to get an output such that according to the it is not going to get the value of infinite according to the positions of VCC like saturation voltage whatever you are given according to that whether it may be plus 15 volts or minus 15 volts or plus VCC or minus VCC will be replicate on the output waveform. Suppose consider here itself at a point here. So here my V reference, this is my input voltage. So up to point A, my V reference is greater than V in, correct, right, up to this point. So on this case, we will be going to get an output such that it will be up to this one, my V reference is greater than V input, correct, right. So you can clearly observe my V input is less than V reference. It means that V in is greater, right. On this case, we will be going to get minus VCC. So from here you can observe minus VCC. So from there will get output side minus VCC, and after that, after this crossing input, so after this crossing, my V input is greater than V reference. On that case, we will be going to get positive until unless the output waveform reach till here, it is greater, right. So until this point, we will be going to get output as same. Same remains same. So in this fashion, we will be going to get output of an idle of a act as a comparator. So in this fashion, we are going to get an output. So suppose think about that if it is in practical manner. So practical manner, you will be going to get once it reaches, you will be going to get in plus VCC. Once you will be going to get reaches, it is rim. Then what is the value? V naught is equals to A into Vi. So suppose think about that if we are not considering A as infinity, like some finite value. So V naught is equals to 2 Vi. it means that y is equals to mx plus t, right? So on that case, we will be going to get this output. So after that, once it is crosses infinity, it will reaches to plus saturation volts. Once it crosses this point, then it will reaches to minus VCC point. So now let's executing in the MATLAB multisim session. We'll better understand the words. Okay, let's go to multisim software. Here you can clearly observe, right? So this is a comparator circuit having a positive, having given sine wave, and a negative I am giving certain amount of voltage which is 2 volts. Okay, so this is my reference voltage, this is my input voltage, and I have been given the saturation voltage as plus 15 volts and minus 15 volts, and I have been connecting all the voltage with 4 point oscilloscope. So then only we will observe all the output waveforms. So when I run this software, then when I run this code program, you will be going to get this set of equations. Now let I am arranging in a similar manner, then you will be better understand the things. Okay, let's wait for that one. I will be arranging the things little bit comfortable for us, then only you will understand better. Okay, so here you can clearly observe, right? So at this point, my V reference is dominating my V input. So at that case, I am getting the V input as from minus VCC till the point where by V in is greater than V reference. At this point, I am getting my V input is greater than V reference, then I am going to get plus VCC. In similar fashion, I am going to get the output such that the input and output will be compared and it will give the output. So in this way the comparator circuit is going to be evaluated and executed with help of multisim software. This is how for this session. If you have any queries, please comment us below, and thank you for watching.